Okay, my name is Alyssa Elliott, and this is my term map for cellular biology. My husband is at band practice, so I'm going to have to film my map myself. I started with Dalton, who studied atoms, which are made of the nucleus, electrons, and valence electrons. I link those two together. The nucleus is made of protons, neutrons, which added together equals the atomic weight. The number of protons by themselves equals the atomic number. Now, electrons and valence electrons are located within the electron shells, which determines the energy levels. And electrons can be given to other atoms. Whenever this occurs, it's called energy donation, or from energy donors, and they can be taken by electron acceptors. When either of these occur, it's called the oxidation-reduction reaction. Okay. And atoms can be bonded through electronegativity, through polar covalent bonds, which include triple and double bonds, and nonpolar bonds, and also ionic bonds. Okay, what else have I got here? If organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry are reactions are measured with moles, grams, liters, meters, including measurements such as half-life. So you can use these to measure half-life. And the moles account for the molarity of a substance, and you also measure moles and interchange, what's the term? Grams and such with Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the negative 23rd. Okay, and I have the sum of one atom in a molecule equals the molecular weight. And over here I have water, which can also be found as H3O in water isotopes. Water is responsible for hydrophobic interactions, which can cause cohesion and adhesion. Water and the hydrogen ion account for the hydrogen bond network of water. Hydrogen ions result in pH levels. Hydrogen ion plus a nonmetal equals an acid. Hydrogen ion plus a metallic base. Hydrogen ion plus a metallic substance equals a base. An acid plus a base equals a salt whenever they neutralize each other. What else do we have? Okay, I have elements. Elements include carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, sodium, chloride, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. Phosphorus plus oxygen equals phosphate. Carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen combined create aldehyde and carboxyl. Carboxyl is also included in carboxylic acid. So carbon and oxygen create carbonyl and ketone. Let's see. Hydrogen and carbon create methyl. And oxygen and hydrogen create hydroxyl, which also creates alcohol. Okay, I have aminos make up amino acids, which are associated with amines. Proteins are repaired with amino acids, or they do repair with amino acids. But backing up a little bit, if life functions are regulated with sugars, carbohydrates, fatty acids. Sugars, including nucleotides, create nucleic acids, produce proteins, create glycoproteins, which is created by glycerol. Lipids are also created by glycerol. Lipids create phospholipids and glycolipids with the aid of carbohydrates. Lipids are used for energy as well as fatty acids, which are comprised of unsaturated fats and saturated fats. Carbohydrates also account for polysaccharides and monosaccharides. Alright, I think that's everything. Hopefully this was acceptable, and thank you for your time.